Hello, I'm Alex from Polygon ID. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Polygon ID Query Builder. This tool is an essential part of the Polygon ID ecosystem and a great alternative to the CK query language, making query creation more accessible to verifiers. Let's dive in. First, we need to select a schema. For this demo, we are using the driving license schema from the Schema Explorer, so any JSON LD context URL can be provided here. We then choose a schema type. In our driving license schema, it is automatically selected, as it is single-typed. Next, let's select the license ID attribute for our query. Selecting the right proof is crucial. It needs to match the original type used when the credential was issued. We are using a signature-based credential, so we will select SIG. For the circuit, we are choosing the SIG v2 of chain. Remember, the listed options depend on the selected proof type. V2 circuits don't support proof of uniqueness, so we will skip this. With V3 circuits, you can include the nullifier session ID here. We aim to prove that the license ID is 12345, so we select condition, then under operator, we choose equal and input 12345 in attribute value. We won't specify the issuer ID for this demo, but it is essential for real environments. We will also keep the revocation check disabled, a must for robust verification. Now let's create and test the query. Click Create Query and then Test Query to generate the QR code for the prover's wallet to scan. The wallet will generate a zero-knowledge proof and return the JWZ token for the coding. And that's how you create and verify an off-chain query. Let's see now how the on-chain verification works. We will go back to the initial screen and change the selected circuit to the SIG v2 on-chain. We need to set the operator and value again and create the query. First, we need to select the appropriate network. In our case, we will be using Mumbai. Then we have to set a unique request ID, which is crucial as it acts as the key for the request in the contract state. By default, a random value is pre-filled, which is okay for our demo. Next, we have to input the smart contract address so we can deploy the query. Let me copy and paste the address from the contract itself. We can now click Set Request to send the set CK proof request transaction to the contract. Now we can scan the QR code from the prover's wallet. Upon approval, the wallet sends a Submit CK Proof Response transaction, activating the contract's logic. And this completes the on-chain verification process. We can now see both transactions in the contract. This is the set CK proof request transaction sent from the query builder to store the query in the contract. And this is the submit CK proof response transaction sent from the wallet to prove to the contract that the conditions of the query are satisfied. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and please refer to our comprehensive documentation for more detailed information.